Hey Super Swing Traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Let's take a look at the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. On the monthly, we have a sideways trading action. We have supply zone up here that is tested 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. And it is so strong that it also created another area of supply right here. But we also have demand right here, but this demand is not really strong because as soon as the momentum broke, this zone is not really high probability anymore. But regardless, it is still holding price. I'm sorry, this level of demand, this is not the level of demand. This is, so yeah. So this is the level of demand has been tested and then rally up to this level, dropped, and then created this one. And so this level is not demand. Price drops down here, we can think about trading this range up here, go down here. But it looks like price is finding some kind of support right here. Don't know what's explaining that. It might be a lower time frame demand zone, but I don't see it on the weekly either. So something is pushing this price up, but it's not the demand zones on the monthly or weekly. Okay, so that's the plan for trading on the monthly. We want to trade, since this price is ranging, we want to short up here and go long down here on this zone. On the weekly, we have price dropping, forming this newest area of supply, but it also formed this level. It's a level on top of a level, but I'm just gonna write or have this level at the end here as the level. But then we also have a level of demand right here. Price failed to retrace that, and it just rallied. So there might be a level on the daily that's holding price up. But that is the trading plan that we have for this Forex currency pair, is short up here and go long down here. Okay, let's take a look at the daily. So I'm just trying to figure out where the demand zones and the supply zones are on this daily chart. So we have a supply zone right here, demand zone right here, supply zone right here, and then demand zone down here, another demand zone right here. So we know we have a supply zone right here because this is all-time highs. So this is a level of demand. Let me get my horizontal line, draw this. Okay. Okay, so we have a level of supply right here. we have a level of demand right here. Did price drop? No, price didn't take it out. Okay. So yeah, I'm not sure what is holding, what made this. I mean, it could be support and resistance. It could just be support and resistance, but we know it's not a level of demand that held that price up, but it's just some level of support and resistance, which we don't really cover in this channel because it's not really how the markets move, but it does have its positive points at times. Okay, so the daily, we have a level of demand down here at the lowest end here before price started reversing. Okay, and then we have a level of supply that's still holding, still testing, but then it, still holding price up there. So yeah, if price goes up here, we want to short because that's within these areas here, within our trading range. On the 4 hour, we have price formed a level of supply right here and a level of demand right here. Okay. So yeah, so this can look like a pretty good trade because we had this strong impulse going up. So that's our area of demand. On the daily, we have uptrend making its way up to this area of supply. There's technically no other supply zone besides up here, but the only thing that I'm concerned about is on the weekly, on the weekly, we have this area of supply, and then they also have this continuation pattern, which is like a drop rally base. So it could be a level of supply right here potentially. So it's like a level on top of a level almost, and it's so close to the area of supply that me personally, I may scalp this because it touched it and went up and then didn't really do much. It did touch it and then it rallied and then it dropped again. So this kind of price action, and also because of this long bottom forming top forming tail here, and then followed by this bearish engulfing candle, means that price is going to push lower. So we could see this zone break because when it touched this zone, this is all it did, and we could see it break. So let's look out for that, and I don't think I'm going to trade this pair just because of those reasons. If it breaks this zone, I could look to counter trend short it because our higher time frames are telling us to short. So yeah, I'm thinking about shorting it. Okay, so that is the analysis on the USDCAD. I hope you found a lot of value in this video. I hope it helps you in your trading journey. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.